excited for today, and it's so cool to see what people are doing with engineering.
This is Group 20, and this is our monument to failure. The nerves are high today. Our car is not working perfectly, so I'm a bit more nervous for the people on the other side of the track, because if this thing actually moves, it is a bomb on wheels.
Team 50's Lonnie! This is our car, and we're very excited to be here today.
Hello, we're Group 72, extremely excited for the race. We're gonna put our circuit, our Marv, Prestic is his name, he's out together with Prestic. Hopefully it works.
We are super excited to be here today as Flying Firmware from Radiator Springs to have our Marv on display.
We are Pick Mobile, Team 65, and it's a great day here today. It's a lot of fun to be here, and it's very fun to do engineering practically in a real world sense.
The four of us are extremely excited to see what's going to happen next in the future, especially working with machine learning and trying to see of how we can implement ourselves to change the world.
We're gonna sleep well tonight.